Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can add the audio in the CapCut apps. Alright, so this is simple tutorial. This is basic tutorial, but maybe there are some of you who don't know, especially those who are new to using CapCut. Alright, to add the audio, you are just going to select audio, and you can select sound or voiceover. Okay, select sound. You can get a sound from TikTok. You can get sound from extract the audio, the video. You can get sound from your files. Just import from files, and you can add the audio from CapCut available here. So just download and add, and you can see the audio has been added to your project. Okay, that's simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.